and Mars are different in size, atmosphere, temperature, gravity, and surface features. Mars' atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, due to sustain life as we know it. Earth's atmospheric pressure averages 1013 millibars, whereas Mars' pressure is about 6.1 millibars, making it difficult for liquid water to exist on the Martian surface. Mars experiences extreme temperature fluctuation, with difference between day and night temperature reaching up to 70 degrees Celsius. Earth's atmosphere moderates temperature change. The temperature on Mars can vary between minus 140 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius, while on Earth the average temperature is approximately 15 degrees Celsius. Martian winds are driven by temperature difference between the surface and atmosphere, while Earth winds are influenced by a variety of factors, including temperature, pressure, and humidity. Mars experiences massive dust storms that can last for weeks or months, while on Earth dust storms are more localized and short-lived. Gravity on Mars is much lower than on Earth, meaning you would weigh approximately half as much on Mars as you would on Earth. The possibility of water existing on the surface of Mars has been investigated for decades, and although no liquid water has been discovered on the surface, it is rumored that the red planet may have once had it. NASA and other space agencies have found evidence of rivers, lakes, and oceans that existed on Mars millions of years ago. Currently, water on Mars is believed to exist in the form of ice at the poles and in the surface. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, currently located on the planet, has returned images and data suggesting the presence of ice and frozen water on the planet's poles. Additionally, the Mars Science Laboratory mission found evidence of ancient lakes and rivers.
Earth has a more active geology with complex processes, while Mars has a more static geology. The surfaces of Mars and Earth are different because Earth has a diverse topography with mountains, valleys, plains, and oceans. The Earth crust is divided into tectonic plates that move and collide, creating mountain ranges and volcanoes. Mars has a more eroded topography with impact-created volcanoes and canyons. The surface is dominated by the Tharsis region, a region of Mars with a huge volcanic plateau located in the equatorial zone of the planet. Has some of the largest volcanoes in the solar system. Rocks on Mars are more homogeneous and composed primarily of basalt, while on Earth there is a wide variety of rocks. Could Mars be humanity's future home? Humanity has pondered the idea of finding a second home in the universe. After Earth, Mars has been considered one of the most controversial planets for habitation. One advantage of Mars is its proximity to Earth compared to other planets. Mars has mineral resources such as iron, nickel, and other metals that could be used as resources. However, this advantage, Mars' atmosphere is too thin and does not block solar and cosmic radiation, making it inhospitable to human life. The lack of oxygen in the atmosphere is also an obstacle, as there is not enough oxygen to sustain human life. Extreme temperatures on Mars can range from minus 125 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, making it difficult for human life to survive on the surface of the planet.
On Mars, a day is 24 hours and
37
minutes, and a year lasts
687.
lies since it is far from the Sun. It has 2 moons, Prout and Demons. NASA sent a test helicopter, Ingenuity, which performed 5 power. Other test helicopters in Mars and the Mars orbiter.